Check, 1, 2. Hey now.
Oh, GoPro, you suck. Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. Last night we had a lot of thunderstorms come ripping through. Yeah, I wouldn't call them severe, but they're good ones. 2 right in a row. It was rocking. So it's about 7:40, almost 60 degrees. Roads are wet. It's going to be a high of 70 or so. After work, I'll head up to Gettysburg, see if people are hiding out yet, or if there's some people that are starting to test the waters and get out more. There we are. There's Little Round Top and Big Round Top. I gotta get out a little earlier, show you guys some of the beautiful sunrises we have out here. It's breezy. That wind's kicking up. I'm so tired of the wind. If I'm not making it myself by riding or farting, they usually don't want any part of it. Nation shit. We'll slip on in here. So we're northbound on 15 from the Steinway exit. We're jumping off here, Baltimore Street, headed south on 97. Destination, Littlestown. That the traffic just isn't there. People working from home or people just not working. Sucks. So I gotta keep an eye out for the popo here, because they've been hanging around. That wind sucked. It wasn't one of my greatest passes. Well, we're going. Limit back there is 55, and they're not even doing that. Shit, now I can't think. Do I ever think? I don't even think I got to think about what I wanted to think about when I took the highway so I could think. I thought I was going to think about something. I didn't think about shit. I don't even know what I talked about. Hi, Key. He's like, busted. Pretty soon it's going to be warm and the little turtles are going to be popping up here. Here I am at work. Oh. We cut that part out. Well, it was a beautiful ride. Here I am.